Right, Sunday. Come in this afternoon to do some tyres for me mate. Richard, if you're watching, you're an idiot. So yeah, my mate's wanted some tyres fitting on his motorhome because he's got an MOT tomorrow and all the tyres are bald. Guess what he did? 16, not 15. Anyway, well done, Rich. So I thought, while I'm out, I'll put the broom round and we'll have a little mooch about it, see what was going on. What's going on? That thing's done. So speak to Leo tomorrow and see what he wants to do, what else he wants me to do. There's a load of junk in the back. There's his old gearbox. There's a load of crap over there that's his. But yeah, that's all up and running. I've let it run for, well, the man gave me some instructions, didn't they? So I followed his instructions and now it's sat there. So I'll ring there in the morning, see what he wants me to do. That run sweater's a nut now though. Marvellous. Right, and in my last episode of me saying, I'm gonna fix my car, I have found the problem. It's not the worst problem, but it's not great. Yeah, so I took the sump off, as you can see. We dropped the subframe down, we're cheating. I took the sump off. And what I found, so there's the sump, and the sump baffle. Maybe you can see it there, I took the sump off. Yeah, it all looks good. It all looks good. Apart from, I don't know what I've done with it now. I don't know what I've done. Anyway, what's happened? I ain't gonna say it weren't me because I put it together, so it was definitely me. Have I cocked up? Have I forgot to tighten something? No, I don't think so. But what's happened is, I'm not scared to tell you all I've fucked up. Where the oil squirters bolt into the block, I think what I've done, I don't know how, it's a two-man job to tighten them up as well. So we definitely tightened them because we remember doing it. But I think what I've done is the cylinder 6, I think I've got the oil squirter ever so slightly too far over. And I think what's happened is the piston's come down, nicked it, undone it, because they're only like 10 newton meters. Yeah, and it's shook itself out the block. And yeah, and because basically it's meant to have a tiny little hole so it sprays, and all of a sudden it's got a massive hole. And that's why it was down on pressure. I've had a quick look around it, all looks good. So I'll try and order some bits in the morning. New sump gasket, another £600,000 worth of nuts and bolts. Because I ain't gonna reuse them, because what's the point at this stage? So yeah, new set of bolts for the sump, new gasket, new oil squirter. I've took one of the other ones out. I checked all the others were tight, all the others were tight. So I've took one of the other ones. I took cylinder 3 out, I think, because it was the easiest one to get to at the time. And I've put that in the hole, and it all torqued up. Did I forget to tighten it? Unlikely. Could I have? Maybe. Either way, I fucked up, because if it has hit it, you can sort it's mangled. It's been round the fucking engine a couple of times. But it ain't done no damage. There's a tiny little chip out the block where it's flicked round when it broke the end off, but it ain't done no damage. So it's hard to say because the end of the nozzle's fucking destroyed. So, but yeah, that was it. It was always going to be something I'd done. So fingers crossed, she'll be all right. She should be all right. It still ran, didn't it? I drove it on the ramp yesterday, so it's still got oil pressure, which is just not very good. Ed's ready to go for that one outside. I think I sold the car today. Fingers crossed. As long as it's all right. That's the injectors for the Audi. They've got to go to the man. This is good to go. It's going on outside. Just going to look outside. This is my little daily driver, maybe for sale. It's a bit rough around the edges. D's Cooper D, 20 quid a year road tax, does 7 million miles to the gallon. It's got a bit of lack appeal, but it's all right. It's all right. It's filthy because I'm a pig, but anybody wants that, let me know. It's 100, just over 100,000 miles. 1,500 quid. That's done, waiting to be collected. That's done, still not been collected. This arrived on a truck. The engine's knocking like fucking bailiffs. So we need an engine for this. If anybody knows of anyone, Cooper SD 2 litre. I need a complete engine, a good bottom end, an engine with the chain snapped. Anyone's got anything, let us know, because I need to fix that. He wants to fix it, so fair play to him. He wants to fix it. That's still giving me the ump. So now I've pushed that into death corner and it can stay there. And that's it, kids. Do it all again on Monday. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna go home and have my Sunday dinner. And we'll see what the week brings next week. See you later.